It's recording now. I don't know, I'm recording in progress. I took one lot of they were recording as a meet. Like this video, now, he record China. He posted in a group. It's something anybody can always watch and refer back. Like I say, when I recording now about technical analysis, now, oh, come on, got the question. I will go back to the video, watch area here again. You like that kind of thing.
Let's start with this one now. So, KPH or analyze. KPH or analyze.
I may go to analyze, what do you call it? I may go to analyze, just wepụta any pen, ị nwere ike wepụta ịma ịdị na-eme Bitcoin, wepụta
Any pair of name I can analyze, anything in can analyze. I'm going to link each we start we teach with that one.
okay, let me say, GPP card. GPP card. I don't know your screen that GPP card.
Let me delete whatever I did. So now, as a trader now, a pattern analysis, first thing you should do is to go to higher time frame. That phase 3. And that phase 3 is very important. Our first topic on that phase 3 is what? Top-down analysis. And top-down analysis means analyzing market from higher time frame to lower time frame. That's top-down analysis. So let's start from here. This is GBP card. We go to monthly time frame. Month is the highest time frame. You can still see years, but at least months. Then if you come to months now, you can see the way they draw they scroll my charts. I'm doing this to see the big picture, so I will know where market is going. The sense of going to one time frame is to know direction of the market. So monthly now, from what I'm seeing in this market, if you are confused as a new trader, you can use this part too. You can see the way I use it to mark. Remember your market structure. You can use it to mark this thing.
Nga kwesịrị origin na eche m nga anọ origin.
This and Yababi, orange color. I'm just drawing it like this. I have a picture. I have a picture. Then this thing don't draw like this now. I will bring it out.
Yeah.
But sometimes you'll be on chat, you might be confused now. So now you can see this market from this zone now come down, do a downtrend.
How the bearish yes.
Range wago, but just why I put this part two, say if you are confused as a newbie, you can be using this part two to understand that. So now on monthly time frame, I'm not analyzing anything on monthly time frame. If I come on monthly time frame, if I cannot use my naked eye to say this market is going up or this market is going down, I will leave this market. Like if you watch GBP, you can find out in this month it's ranging here. Let me do some analysis here so you can see. You watch how the recent price action market is doing. If you watch here now, here is a support level. Here is a resistance level on monthly. Monthly is big. We can't trade with monthly, but you can see it's ranging in monthly time frame.
Yeah.
It's ranging. So if you want to trade, if you see ranging in monthly time frame, avoid that market.
Okay.
Find a trending market. You make money on a trending market than this ranging market. But if you still want to analyze, in months now we are seeing a range. Let's go to day. On day again, you have known how to spot your support and resistance. Any two touches like we have here now. Let me map out the touch. We have like 1. We have this touch 2. We have this touch.
Bikelengi click here secular na japụta biko kama amatakwa na ga immediately.
From ebe m gwa gị tools na-adị igbo ebe ya ofu ịafụ section ebe this tool dị gbanye on ya na-akpọ ya bụ circle. Tools ka ntụnụ nke ị may use ka ya ọpụta nwaanyị tinye dị ebe nna akụziri mmadụ let me be spotting the point. So now you can see 1, 2, 3. I'm going to 3 touch. Now I'm using this. I normally use this rectangle tool to draw my support or resistance. So now this is a daily support. Remember on our month, we find the ranging market. We come today, we still find daily support. Now this one, you can equally write it here. You can still write something, daily support. So you know what to analyze. Because this support and resistance, people don't direct them, but it's a very good strategy because market either it go up or it go down. That's what the market they do. So supply and demand and support and resistance, they're almost the same. It's just the English terms. So now this is the daily support. Okay, let me still write out this one. This one is a monthly resistance. Monthly resistance. So let's go to 4 hour. And this higher time frame, like month and day, is to know bias of the market, to know where market is heading. I draw my analysis from 4 hour, 1 hour. I draw my analysis. Then when price comes to my zone, I go to 15 minutes time frame to find entry. So let's analyze with 4 hour now.
But this is month and day we're going for you to understand the market trend first.
Yes, the market trend, where the market is going.
So in other words, if the market is not spotted from monthly and daily to know whether it's bullish or bearish, don't
Leave
enter.
Leave the market. Yes, find another market. Yeah, leave the market. Even this one we are doing, I just propose let's be doing it. You can still see market is in that still that ranging form.
This market now.
Okay, now this daily time frame. If I want to know our daily support, this one is our monthly resistance. Now I'm going to
because exactly because this particular thing now not arranging now. This particular
from month if higher time frame respect and where anything higher time frame daily, weekly, month respect them. Or will you be patient enough to wait for your setup to confirm? Other people they will feel like every day you must trade. You have to wait for a setup to confirm if you take a trade. It's not every time you execute you. But then when that higher time frame, or every time can have trade you take, but you want to one is one. So now this is a daily support. This is a monthly resistance. We go to 4 hour. From 4 hour 1 hour, can just draw any analysis. So here now, if I want to draw my analysis from this 4 hour now, this market is for monthly resistance. What I start to here now? This zone. Now I can equally use my trend line. Because 4 hour, if you watch it on 4 hour, it's bullish.
Bullish, yes, on 4 hour.
Yeah, it's bullish. So I can equally use this my trend line. Trend line, how to spot or draw trend line. The same way I said about this thing, support and resistance. You first from the turning point, like this. See where I started my own. You see where I started. You see from that point where I started, the candlestick that formed there.
That candlestick, the week,
Week, yes, the week. Then try to get possible touch as possible. Like now, let me still mark out where the touches are now. I have 1 touch here. I have 2 touch here. I have 3 touch. From this 3 touch come with this bullish engulfing. So if you want to trade with trend line, you will wait, let price come to that trend line, wait for your candlestick confirmation. Like from this analysis now of 4 hour, this market, I'll be looking out for buying bias. As it touch this trend line, it form a bullish engulfing. You see the bullish engulfing candle?
Yes, no, that big blue candle, bullish engulfing.
Yes, the candle, the signal of this candle is buy. So when you see something like this, entry time frame is 15 minutes. As I see something like this now, I've known from this far, I've known bias I should be looking out for. So I'll go to 15 minutes now. Let me remove this thing. Here I am saying monthly time frame. And if another thing on say now, if we got in 15 minutes, this is a morning star on that trend line.
Morning star.
Now a trend line now. That one touch that trend line.
That can't touch that trend. Morning star. My morning star the week they very small that down. Here is trying to look like doji candle now. Indecision candle. Indecision candle because morning star now the very weak here now the very small or tiny even only call them the week.
Opima doji the in 5 form.
Doji, the small candle now on the middle.
Doji in different form. Just get type or research different or all types of doji. Then I research again. If different type of doji. Then Morningstar psychology behind Morningstar is sellers we are pushing the market down, which is this red candle now. So sellers are active in the market. Then reach here. Sellers still exercise their patience here. But buyers came inside the market, forming this doji. Doji mean indecision. The fight between buyers and sellers, nobody won.
Exactly.
So when you see a doji, it's trying to tell you, you check direction of the market, where market is coming from. So now, for me, the market is coming from a downtrend, reach this zone, have a doji. Having this doji now, you should have, it's like buyers have interest in this zone, but you shouldn't wait to enter. You wait for a bullish candle to close. Now, you see what buyers do here. Buyers push this market to up to this level. Sellers still came in, push it down before this candle close. Here now. Another this one open. Sellers first push it down. Buyers can't get more, push it up. So you need to understand that Morningstar and evening, the psychology behind it.
Okay.
So from here now, if I'm on 15 minutes now, seeing this Morningstar, I should have entered this trade. Even on 4 hour now, I don't get confirmation. But since I missed that entry, I need to come to 15 minutes. Now, if you watch out now, this time frame I am is 15 minutes now. So in 15 minutes now, I enter to take my trade because I'm looking for buying buyers. Let me still give you entry on this 15 minutes. There is this tool they call Fibonacci.
Fibonacci retracement.
Yes, that Fibonacci is like a measuring tool. Only no they need to measure you, so they will get appropriate size for you. Understand? So Fibonacci is like market structure now. You're hearing of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. Let's say you came into the market when market have make higher highs, and you know this market is bullish. You'll be like, where should I enter? And I've told you, don't buy at higher high, buy at higher low.
Exactly.
When you come inside the market, like this market we are now, the market have did higher high now. Even from what I'm saying, it have did higher low. The buying is going to, but I want to give you a narration of how to use that Fibonacci. So Fibonacci will give you zone to enter to follow that trend where they go, whether or up or down. So like this one now, this one is going uptrend. So how to find an entry now? You pick your Fibonacci 2 now. Start from the recent high. See the recent high we have here. From this point now is recent high. To the recent low. So now see the recent low. The price of it golden zone now. So buying for this market is active here now. To buy this market from here now is active. Then another confirmation you should use now. See this candle now. You see this red candle. Let me zoom it so you can see it. That's why I said candlestick is the language of this market. This candle now. Candle be a market affair. This one now.
The small one, the smallest one. Yeah. Here now, we can. Here, I don't know my boy because it's looking like a hammer candle.
Hammer candle, can you indicate buy or sell?
Hammer candle. This hammer candle bearish now. This hammer candle bearish is indicating because all buyers push it to bring it here, so it is indicating sell. But also reverse reliable, it might indicate to come down. It might indicate that sellers are in control. That's what I understand, unless I'm wrong. But what I'm doing is, you check this candle.
It's wrong. In candlestick, don't look at the color. But at your level, you can look at the color. Psychology candlestick, this upper pole and lower pole. I use because of this thing, do one content where I post. Upper pole and lower pole are that signal. Why we are considering the body is because of engulfing. Because engulfing is the body that is speaking the language of the signal there.
Okay.
But other candle, you look at that week, but the signal, and about those upper pole or lower pole, and about a signal
Okay.
Understand? So
Like this other candle now, not before this bullish candle now. And when this other one here the morning star. When a candle not close to the bullish candle, no here the morning star.
this one now.
Oh, the other one, all red,
This red now, this one.
All the candle like I mean. And when one candle not by the left,
This one, this one.
bearish. That bullish candle now, this bullish. The other one not close to it, bearish, morning star.
This one now, is a shooting star. One hammer.
Shooting star, shooting star, exactly.
Hammer is a buying candle. Once one now says candlestick, you understand them. Hammer is a buying candle. Then one hammer blue shooting star. Hammer is not blue shooting star. Mama hammer
exactly.
is position into echo.
Exactly.
So that's the sense. So that candlestick is very important. So now here flavor kita hammer. After seeing hammer, I see morning star. But if for one, manam kenafi and let me find can use I
see your mouse.
This 1, 2, 3. Obuna this one, this third one na kita at least close. Come on, this two na close above here. Obuna close above here. It will give me strong like a strong signal for me to hold that buy.
Okay.
But if not, all the half of this green candle, the half of this one, still telling you buyers are pushing the market, but sellers are still active here.
Okay.
So now before we take a buyer, I need to see a bullish candle close on this line on Kaleba. The body.
Okay.
Close here. This one, sometimes it might go, sometimes it won't perform well or reject here. Because the market now, ideology of this market now is fight between buyers and sellers. And they are fighting, they are fighting. So after the fighting now, when the candle close, you can be able to judge this is what happened. Just like football, if you start ball first half, knock people 3-0. Because they knock those people 3-0 does not mean that they will win. You might see the match might end up of 4-3. You understand? So you can't judge when the match is still on. That's this kind of thing you are seeing now. So I need to see a bullish momentum, like body of candle close here before I will enter for a buy. That's the entry. And let me still show you another thing I'm seeing here now. Let me use part 2. So for those guys. Kaya pattern ni flow. Mo and utahe mama go pattern of non catch sell again. Kaya pattern ni flow.
Well, I see the first candle that is coming is kind of bearish. Then the reason at this point there was a bullish. Like coming like this is lower.
Happens to download a profitable chart pattern. You go pay.
Oh, okay. I'm buying my guess most of the time, but I will not lie. Here now, top and a lot of things are top, top and shoulder or head and shoulder.
Abani bullish and bearish. Can't get be.
Here will read this. Okay, here bullish here now. Here bullish because if it's coming down, I'll bearish here.
Yeah, bullish head and shoulder. Before I'm selling, you have to go me with my eye in that chat. I'm a graph for me and but change see patula be we go for answer again. In SL with time, it does in SL in a chat if you get. So here now, I've spotted a bullish head and shoulder, still telling me buying. Buying 30. So anytime I see bullish head and shoulder, what I will do is to bring out the neckline. And then if not break the neckline, all the testing gone. But why I'm not taking any trade today, this is Friday. Market will close till Monday.
Yeah.
So anything on Friday, I'll come and I don't trade again till Monday. Or else I'm trading hold. So market if now we consolidate the Zeba till Monday, my pick is direction. So if on a GBP, I even put this in on group. GBP, JPY, GBP card. You should be looking for buying opportunity. But let me put my wrong. Then proper, if you are trading pattern, I say this for a strategy can go. If you are trading pattern and come nature, also come nature mo. Kuchiri move for amal in and out and we must say yeah. On the go I days born na forest. Then we have go back testing, but everything is step by step. So now this head and Chirichi trade, your stop loss should be below the shoulder. Like now, if I'm to take this trade now, stop loss won't say which is 27 pip. Then I'm targeting 1:2 and 1:2 now. So this trade next week, this is what I will post them on group now. This is what I'm targeting on notes. Push hard. Far will look small. And I fear what. So GBP card is bullish. So in a coin from Eba is Bogotane. If trend line I use now, first touch, second touch. If you watch market structure, high, low, you can see it's a bullish market. So in bullish market, you keep finding opportunity to buy. If you see them selling, keep finding your zone to buy.
Now, the top and shoulder with the final argument in when now each replace or this trade. Okay, when another method called that top and shoulder with your final reason. You know, get the reason in replace or this trade.
When the buy buy, I be far so not the bullish. When I chose to buy from that bullish, then never can I guess 4 hour. The third touch of candlestick, I went first touch, second touch. The third touch form a bullish engulfing on 4 hour time frame. Ejina 4 hour egwu. In signal of 4 hour is a strong signal. It takes 4 hours for this bullish candle to print, telling you that buyers momentum are active in the market.
Okay.
So now after 4 hours, me, I don't want to enter 4 hours. I'm going 15 minutes, so I'll get a good entry. That's why I'm going to 15 minutes. I've seen my confirmation on 4 hours. But since I can set by my take profit and stop loss on 4 hours, stop loss won't get big. I can't want to
Exactly.
So that's why I'm going to 15 minutes. So now I've been at 15 minutes now. I'm working a market and I go high bata market, I'm go higher. And I've told you not to buy higher. Remember how to use FIB, the recent high and the recent low. You mark it out. Golden zone or 0.5 should be your entry. And kind of market time, go golden zone poor. So this is number 1 entry. Then also where for this bullish head and shoulder. Plot while get captain neckline if no break go the test here. When second the buy in a go. So I use pattern strategy, I got entry. I use my normal price action, I got entry. I want to go many confirmation. Then another thing that will give you a good psychology on trading, regardless of I'm using like let's say 3 strategy now to take the trade and everything I've aligned, does not guarantee 100% that this trade will go successfully.
Yeah, I hear.
As we have analyzed all this now with different strategy and I've gotten my entry, my confirmation I've aligned, does not mean that this trade will go to my TP successfully. What this thing. If you have, because me, I know struggles I went through this forest to become okay, and my student Choka how happy gather through that because when you have right approach to something, okay, me your psychology or didn't check. One thing Jabagi here, some people are too sure because of all this thing align go when you lose ego or trade or a lot. Go want to pay game before. This trade can reverse. Or when you move market.
Exactly.
You understand? Market can change at any time. And
even news can even break
can
out.
come say mess everything up. Like this week, I was expecting United States to gain, but that they keep losing more. Their stock keep losing. So next week, and so market blind when you move. Every day I can say anything that only thing can save in this market is risk management. You understand? The market is not 100% sure, but with your risk management, your experience and waiting for your confirmation and edge, If you catch trade whole, you make a lot of
Another thing again, I got more risk management at your own time. But yeah, so just like I told you,
risk
it's not that
management. Other hard. Man, so you buy risk management online, but they call big thing. Risk management. If I'm buying my lot size as a topic, all lot size have the risk management. For you to know equity you have on your account and know the particular lot size that suits your equity. Okay, yeah, risk management because you know if you have a $100 account, you're supposed to be using 0.01. But because broker have given us leverage, even from that $100, I can knock one. But now, if I'm knocking one, you will get 10K account and be using one. This amount of money you're making, I'll be making. But the advantage of it is on me that have small accounts, small retracement. I can blow my account.
exactly.
You will get 1,000. If you get pullback of $300 after, you go still go in your way. Your account still there, you no lose. We have seen the advantage and disadvantage. So that is risk management. When people are greedy, they were using small money and want to pack big money. It's possible in forex, but it have advantage and disadvantage. Because good thing when you know what you are doing, it's better. Even though you want to take that risk, you have known the probability of the outcome. For the one with the 10%, we say you never know the probability of the outcome. So risk management is about managing your loss size, know your equity, know loss size that suits your equity. That a diagram loss size. During my days, I even use it to do my screen wallpaper, my phone wallpaper. Now before I'm looking at it. Now practice it before buying missing. And sometimes in group I do send that loss size for different accounts from $100 to $50,000. I do post it. So Kema lot size you gonna use because when you use the proper lot size for your account, na atu iti trade, imago iye lose, imago iye target. Then another thing that risk management, this long position too. Anything you are risking, make sure is times two. I could go again, can I draw the profit part? You make it on there too, the risk to reward there too.
Yeah, equally. Yeah, that's the first thing I'm that first time, my guy.
It's still part of the risk management. So now this trade now, if we go like this now, you got now, okay, this trade, I want to risk 27 pips to make 54 pips. When after those number here. Now, if I get the proper risk management to use, now you ask yourself, how much do I have in my account? Okay, let's say you have $1,000 example. The $1,000, you now ask yourself, in this $1,000, how much am I able to risk on this trade? It won't pay me. My risk and your risk are not the same. Sometimes I go small, sometimes I go big. But drop balloon, that drop go me funga to cover that and drop again. Let's say in 1,000, they use at least 0.05 to 0.1 or 0.010 highest. Before you can increase it, we say it grow to get account to be to some extent. It increased to cover a lot size. So risk management is about lot size management. If like what trade, I know market say because this one a close on 15 minutes, a bullish candle. Next one, the bar at the bank. Oh, I'm not taking anything now till Monday.
So only 1,000 account here, you know, question use 0.05, right?
Yes. Each of the quiet niche leverage, niche about to push more. Use 0.10. 0.10 bo 5 plus 5 I've got 10. Just like that, your 5 who's a boy.
You're using $1.
Yeah. But zero yes, or $1 ka 0.10 yourself.
Each people movement they got $1, right?
So in doing so here now, a man use 0.1, but he lose $27, maybe 40 cents or so. Then I'll guide your way, you will make $54 something cent. How many use that one this trade? So I'm going okay, if I lose the $27, am I okay?
Then another thing, how do I enter it? Like in that time when I get here phone to now set that in again. So how will you set it to know how much? Because one thing now, I want to, if I'm taking that risk, I want to know how much I want to lose, and I want to know how much I want to gain. But when you are setting stop loss and take profit, organize get the market price. The market price can make it allowed to set. So how will you now know how much you are losing, how much you are supposed to lose, or how much you're supposed to gain?
How to know it now? Like this market type for confirmation. Hmm? Our stop loss here now is 27 pip. If you there, now you there, now you this
27 people.
yeah point.
I want to get 27.4.
It means you want to risk 27 people on this trade.
Okay, yeah, because they here like $1 times 7. How is it?
It was a time set to die your PPA, risk. Lot size I have each movement, ego no make. So in Bema go each movement, ego no make. Now, a man, you are about to risk 27 movement on this trade. $1 times 27 or again means nearly $27. If you're using a lot size, gonna give $1 per movement. What? So I am under that risk management. So campus, I will still post this one. So yen choka ka go on emebo. Trading view imebe sa snap chart na MSC analysis.
Unless I always snap completely my. I'm not able to snap, but I will snap completely the whole window.
If I'm on the this place, API can if I was download image, you can download image or screenshot to abuse, but this whole background is screenshot where.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this record the call can I guess help that come for a best.